Students, today we are going to learn second standard maths lesson, addition without carryover. Okay, now first tell me, in 43 plus 21, how many tens are there? 4 is tens and 3 is units. Same in this 21, this is tens and this one is unit. Okay, means this 4 is tens and this 3 is unit, this 2 is tens and 1 is unit. Okay, now we have to draw the 4 tens. In 43 4 is tens, so you have to draw the tens first. 1 2 3 4. Okay, then how many units are here? 3, so you have to draw 3 units. 1 2 3. Okay, how many units in 24? How many tens are there? 2 tens. How many units are there? 4 units. 1 2 3 4. Okay, so you have to add these numbers. Okay, now first we have to count these units. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, how many units are there? 7. And how many tens are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6. How many tens are there? 6. Okay, now this is the first format. Okay, then in second format we can write the numbers. How many tens are there? 4, so you have to write the 4. How many tens are there? 3. This is the second method. Then in 24, how many tens are there? 2. And how many units are there? 4. 3 plus 4, 7. 4 plus 2, 6. Okay, this is the simple method. In 31, how many tens are there? 3 tens are there and 1 unit is there. In 21, how many tens are there? 2 tens are there and 1 unit is there. Now in 31, you have to draw tens first. How many tens are there? 3 tens. 1 2 3. And how many units are there? 1. So you have to draw 1 unit. Then how many in 21, how many tens are there? 2 tens. 1 2. And how many units are there? 1. You have to add these tens and units. Count this. 1 2. How many units are there? 2. And how many tens are there? 1 2 3 4 5. How many tens are there? 5 tens. And then in second method you have to write the numbers. Okay, how many tens are there? 3, so you have to write the number 3. And how many units are there? 1, so you have to write the 1 here. How many tens are there? 2, so you have to write 2. Then how many units are there? 1, so you have to write number 1. Then 1 plus 1 is 2 and 3 plus 2 is 5. Then answer is 52. And this is the simple method for addition without a carryover. For more videos, like, share and subscribe.